Hello, this is a Intel Pentium D processor based motherboard, and it is having an overheat issues. So I'm going to replace the thermal paste of this processor and this graphics card, so the heat issue will go away. As you can see, this is an old PC, but it's still running okay. Not excellent, but average. Now I'm going to take out this graphics card and going to show you how to replace the thermal paste of this graphics card and the CPU. Okay. So first I'm going to take out the graphics card, and then I will take out the processor. Let me take off the RAM first. Though it's not needed, but it's best to take out the RAM. I'm taking out the RAM. It's a DDR3 RAM, old gen. Okay, so let me take out the graphics card first. The screw. There's a clip here. This is the old ATi graphics card, I think. Radeon based. And now the processor. I'm taking out the fan first. Like this, notch, all 4 notches, and I pull it up like this. Very easy. See, it's all thermal paste, all dried up. It's nothing here. So I need to clean these things up, and then I'm going to apply fresh thermal paste. I think I need to clean the fan as well. As you have seen, I have cleaned the residue of the thermal paste. Now it's quite clean. If you can see, it's completely clean. It's Intel Pentium processor. It's actually Intel Pentium D processor. So I'm gonna apply a fresh thermal paste here, and then I'm gonna put the fan back in. For this, I'm using this Arctic Silver MX-2. It's a good thermal paste. I'm gonna apply it a little bit. I will do the P method instead of spreading, because I don't like that spreading thing. It's not actually about likable. It's the thing is, when I will press using the fan and the heat sink, it will spread automatically. Okay, I'm applying thermal paste here. Not too much, just a little bit one. This is called the P method. As you have seen, this is the P method. No need of spreading. When I will put this heat sink on it, it will spread automatically. Okay, everything's set. This is the Intel fan. It came with the processor long time ago. Okay. I'm going to apply it. All of these screws must set, otherwise the fan will wobble. Put it and then turn around like this. It's in lock method. It's done. I'm connecting the fan connector. Okay, stop. This is the graphics card, and it's if you notice it, it's an ATi Radeon chip. It's the GPU. I'm going to apply thermal compound on this, and I've cleaned this thing up, and they didn't give any cooling fan with it. They give this heat sink. Then I have to attach this heat sink on it. So I'm going to apply Arctic Silver MX-2, as you can see. Just a little. This one also P method. No need to give excess. This will do. Okay. I'm closing the lid of the. You see? I think it's excess of thermal paste, but it's not an issue. When I will put this thing, it will spread eventually. Okay, now I'm going to put this thing very carefully. As you can see, I'm going to put it here. Okay, all 4 sets set. Just press little this done. As you can see, I have connected the GPU, fan connectors, everything's okay. Now I'm gonna test this CPU, whether it works or not. It was giving an issue. I hope this time it will work. I have changed the thermal paste and cleaned these things up. So let's see. As you can see, I have replaced the thermal compound in the CPU section and in the graphics card. Now I will check the temperature using this Specky tool. This was an old PC. I've already shown you it contains Intel processor. Let's go to the Specky and check the temperature. It's a very old processor, that's why it's taking time. It has its configuration is only RAM 4GB. You will see here every details of it. So as you can see, the temperature is fluctuating. This one is also the graphics card. After replacing the thermal paste, I'm getting this temperature in idle mode. This is the configuration of this PC. Ivy Bridge processor, Intel Pentium 4. So you see, it worked.